My life in the future. Student Juan Rodríguez. What will you do after you grade? I would like to create a company of software in the Colombian coast. What are you going to do in Carnavales? I go to the Battle of Flowers and to the reading of the bundle. Where will you go on your next vacation? I think I will go with my family to Eje Cafetero. How are you going to celebrate the next birthday of your girlfriend? I am going to hear mariachis to sing for her. We go to a restaurant with my family and her. When will you grade? I think I will grade from the university in 2 years and a half. Are you going to the dentist in the following 2 months? Why? Yes, I am going to the dentist this month to oral hygiene. Thank you to everybody.